When I say 2024, this year we're not playing. This year we get into the money. We're saving our money because we got things to do. Okay, so hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. And it is official. We are now in the year 2024. Oh my goodness. 2024. Happy New Year to you guys. I hope that you reach and achieve each and every goal that you set for yourself this year. I pray that you have an amazing year full of abundance and prosperity, good health, and amazing things. One of my main goals this year is to become financially free. So with that, I need to be more cognizant on where I'm spending my money, how much I'm spending, where my money's going, and of course how much I'm saving. So with that, my main goal is to make sure I'm budgeting my money and accounting for each and every dollar. So to assist me with that, I came across this page on TikTok. Her name is Jalea Creations. She offers all things budgeting. She even does free budget setups on her live in the evenings, or you can set up a one-on-one on her website. I definitely encourage you guys to check her out. You would not be disappointed. I will leave her link and everything linked down in the description box below. So go ahead and check her out. So today I'm going to be showing you guys one of her budget planners along with some other accessories that I also received from her as well. So let's get right into it. I did receive a budget bundle from her, which includes everything you need to get started with your budgeting. I definitely encourage you guys to get one as well. She has a TikTok shop as well as a website. Let me let you guys see what I received in the budget bundle. Now, I do not have the original box that it came in, but I will include a picture on the screen. And so it came with the budget planner here, which is super cute and girly. I really love this. Also a note from her on the back. What I really love about this planner is that it has an affirmations here at the very beginning. I do read these off weekly as I'm setting up my weekly budget. I'm going to read them to you guys as well. It says, I am wealthy. My hard work pays off. My income is stable. I have more than enough. I am grateful for my financial success. I am financially free. My income does not define me. I spend money wisely. I make the most of every dollar. My income potential has no limits. I deserve the money I earn. I release my fears about money. I am in control of my finances and my debt does not control me. Very powerful. And so this is the affirmations page at the front of the planner. I really love this. So there is a monthly reflection page on here where you're able to go through and just determine how the month went, if you met your goals for that month, why or why not. There's a monthly calendar page on here. There's also a page for you to write down your income for that month as well as your expenses, a weekly budget. There's a place here for your bill payments as well as your expense tracker, your debt tracker, your monthly expenses, a savings jar tracker, and your notes page. So and there's also a glossary in the back if you need any help with any of the terms that she uses. Y'all, get you one of these. So the budget bundle comes with the planner. Again, this is the planner here. Highlighters, a calculator, 3 pens. And these pens write really good. And a money bag keychain, which is this. This is really cute. So you can attach this to your planner or your keychain. I really do love this. So I also do have one of her newest calculators that she has now released. I'm going to show you guys that here as well. And those pens write so good. I did order some more here. And this is one of her newest calculators here. Y'all, how cute is this? Look at this. This is super cute. This gets me excited about setting up my budget every week. I don't know about you, but having things like this that are like girly, cute, accessories, it makes you want to go ahead and do what needs to be done. So with this, I'm excited to set up my budget every week. It gets me excited and it's cute. It makes it fun. And I did also purchase this bag from her as well. This is called the budget bag here. It has pockets on the inside. I have everything in here nice and neat. Zip it up and I'm good to go. Again, you guys, check her out. You would not be disappointed. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely do appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what are some of your goals for the new year. Are you someone that budgets, or do you plan on getting into budgeting or saving? Let me know down below. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you do not miss another upload. I will get back to uploading weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.